Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can host this beautiful website using AWS EC2 instance. We are going to be hosting this project. We're going to launch a server, host this project using our free account. You can host this beautiful website using your free tier account. So follow me as I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is log into your console. Log into your console. Come to recently visited. You see list of it. If you can't find this, come to the search bar. Look for EC2. So EC2. Okay. So we're looking for instance. So we can launch instance here. Launch instance. Okay, make sure that you select the right region that you want to use. So what I need, we need to name our application, say application. Okay, all right. So the next thing you have to do is um the next thing you have to do is select Amazon Linux, select free tier, select free tier account. We are using free tier account for this project. That's what we'll do. Okay, so leave it the way it is, 64 bits. Come to instance type. We have lots of we have different types, but we are going with the free tier, so leave it on free tier account. Key pair, you can create your key pair, so create key pair here, give it a name. Okay, so I'm just giving anything kp, just giving anything download. It's going to create and download the key pair for you. Now the next thing that we're going to do, we just leave everything for now and launch instance. Okay, so our instance has been launched successfully. Now let's go to our instance, launch the instance. Let's open it to do some further. Let's open our instance, come to instances. Okay, you can see our instance is running. So click here, make sure you select the instance, then come to security. Come to security. We, we want to set the inbound rules. We want to set the firewall. Click on security group. So let's edit inbound rules. Add inbound rule. Add any rule. So we are setting rule for HTTP on port 80. Let's allow from anywhere. Add another rule, HTTPS. So let's add HTTPS on port 443. Allow from anywhere. Let's say if that's the only rule that we need for now to be able to access our web application on the server. Okay. Okay, so now let's go back to our instance and connect our instance. So make sure you select it. Click on connect your instance. Click on connect and wait for it to launch. Okay, so we've successfully launched our instance. So what do we do? So let's let's go into the root directory and let's update our package. Yum update. we successfully updated our package. The next thing that we have to do, let's let's install HTTPD server. So yum install HTTPD. So we we are updating our package now successfully. You can see it's completed here. So what's the next thing that we have to do? What's the next thing for us to do? Let's start systemctl enable HTTPD. Same thing. Then we start the server. Okay, so if we do systemctl status, we'll see that our server is running. Okay, so let's go and check that our server is running very well. Let's check if our server, if everything is going on well. Copy your public IP, http forward slash. So let's check if our server is running well. Everything is fine. Okay, and see it's working, means everything is fine. Okay, so let's clear our screen. Let's clear our screen there. Let's create a temp directory and cd into the directory. So we are now in this temp directory. Now let's go and download and get a link for our website. This is template. Okay, so this is the template I want to use. I'm just going to double click here. I'm just going to right click here to copy the link address. Then I come to my terminal and say wget, paste the link and enter. So what is happening now, I'm downloading the templates from the website to our server directly without having to download it on my local PC. Now everything is done, so let's check if our files are already intact. Okay, so run this command file, then the template name. Okay, so you can see how everything is working fine. So if we try to access this file, we will not be able to access it. So what we're going to do, let's move the file them to them let's zip. So let's move it into a zip file. Okay, so moved it into a zip file. Now that we have moved it to a zip file, we can now unzip the file. Okay, unzip. Okay, so we've unzipped our file. If we run ls, you can see we have the two files now. So now let's clear our screen. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to deploy the we are going to deploy our web content to the root file for our website. So what are we going to do? How are we going to do that? First, we will create the directory var okay, cannot create. So let's add -p. Okay, so we've created. So the next thing we're going to do is move our templates to the directory, the web root directory. Okay, we have successfully done that. Now let's change the permission by running this. um so we change the permission by running this app. We change the permission. Now that we have changed the permission and everything, let's see if everything is working fine. If everything is working fine, our web server should be able to work. So we already have it open here. It was working here. So let's refresh. Let's refresh. Still working fine. So we now have to navigate to the folder, the web folder, http forward slash slash temp. So guys, you can see how easy it was for us to be able to host this beautiful website using AWS EC2 instance. This is a static website. You can use this for any project. You can submit this link to uh as your portfolio. You can see the website is working perfectly fine. Come to shop. You can see the shop is working perfectly fine. You come to can click on any of the products. So you can use this as your portfolio. You can use this to host your portfolio. You can use this as a test project. You can use this to host any kind of website that you want without having to buy a live domain. You can see everything that we did here, everything that we use is on free tier account. You can see that we use our free tier account to set up all this. If you don't know how to set up free tier account, check out my video on how to set up a free tier account on AWS. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.